Here we will put these two pins in such a way that we will see that all the four pins are in a straight line from this reflecting surface. Let us find. This is C point and this one is D point. Now you see that here we are finding that all the four pins, one is green, red, red and green, appears that they are in a straight line. Here you see. Here you see, or you can see in this way also, right? That all the four pins appears that they are in a straight line. You see this one? One is green, red, again red, and the last one is green pin. You see in this way, right? The first one is green pin, then red pin, and then green pin. Here it appears that all the four pins are in a straight line, right? Now